Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your TikTok search bar. So first of all, if you open your TikTok application and click on the search icon in the top right corner, usually you can search in the top search bar there. And if you can't do this, what you can do is the first thing, if you go to your profile and then tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and click on settings and privacy, you can come all the way down and try logging out and log in back into your account. This may work for you, but what else you can do is if you come all the way back and head over to your phone settings. When you are in settings, you need to scroll down and find something called apps. So tap on this apps and go for this manage apps, and then you need to search here for TikTok. Tap on it and then it will bring you on this page here. Here as you can see, you will have a couple of options. What you have to do is you have to tap on this storage, tap on this clear data and tap on this clear all data and click on OK, and then you can also clear the cache as well. Tap on this clear data again, this time clear cache, and tap on OK. And then what you need to do now is you just simply go back and then open your TikTok application again, and you have to re-log into your TikTok. And when you are back on your TikTok, you click on the search icon in the top right corner. What you should be able to do now is you should be able to search whatever you want to search. So that's how easy it is. Go ahead and fix your TikTok search bar. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.